Ah, okay, it should be off to my right. I see it. Alright, go ahead and give me full flaps. Alright, it does have peppy lights, so I am too high. That's okay. The wind is definitely not blowing me around as bad flying into it, so we're going to be able to get some, I guess, good lift. So we're full flaps. Alright, now we have a good glide slope. Or we're at least on the glide slope. We're at 2 red, 2 white. It's right here. Now we're low, that's fine. Alright, now I can't see it, so I'm watching my synthetic. Well, I can see it now if I nose down too much. Alright. Coming in nice and easy.